Hapa penye watu wanasikia. Inakuzunguka na sina crash course. Guys!
Ingekuwa Cobra hata tungekuwa tumesimama.
I'm sorry. Chala, we just want to go and see behind there. The roads here are not that good. It's a rough road. You need a 4-wheel to get here. Otherwise, the roads ni vumbi nyingi. Chala from afar. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful and peaceful. It is also a crater lake that borders Kenya and Tanzania. Just look at that. It was a very nice view. Look at that. Look at Lake Chala. Wow. Guys, look at Lake Chala. And these are our people. Beauty. Wow.
No, give the answer. You need to follow.
Wow.
Activity in it.
Kwa hiyo hii hapa kama kuna kitu jikoni kwa saidia nini kwa kitu jikoni kwa saidia kitu mahali wanaenda.
Chef, wewe ni chef nani na watu wanaweza kukupata wapi?
Mimi ni chef Dominic. Tika.
Ine social media handle yako ama usiseme huko Instagram na unafanya kazi nzuri. Unajua chakula chako ni kitamu. Bado. But uko fiti. So unafanya overland chefing ama how do you work?
I always do overland chefing.
So like if we want to do an overland whatever trip, tunaweza kukucontact. You said Chef Dominic. Chakula chake ni kitamu. Ngoja baadaye akishaandaa nitawaonyesha vile meza inakaa, si ndio? Thank you. Kennedy.
Even hii mambo ya traveling naifanya
so
building kama hivyo.
Green Rangers, yeah. Where do you go mna travel, mkienda wapi?
Kenya, all over the country. Even outside the country, Tanzania, Serengeti. Go to Malawi because hizo safari za south. Sawa.
Kennedy na Dominic.
Hey guys, my name is Sam. Call me Big Sam, so all my names. Myself, I'm a veranda driver. I started this job around 2005. I'm telling you guys, I've seen a lot of stuff and I'm okay doing it. And it's really someone that when he travels, he comes back home, becomes a different mind. And if you're sitting down there, please wake up. Just go and see your country or even or other countries, of which I'm so shocked. We haven't seen all these, but Kenya, it's beautiful. Don't sit there and heard stories or whatever. Come and see with your eyes, and you can have fun. It's only like about 2 days, 3 days. Then you go back to work, go back to your duties, and then wait for the next time. So I'll tell you guys, please come over. Let's enjoy it. Let's see our country, our beautiful land, and I think you'll see more things behind the body.
Where can we get you?
Myself, I'm in Syrian. So anyone who needs maybe to be going somewhere or a trip, I can always organize for you guys. I do trip from Rwanda all down to Africa, of which we can able to arrange about that. So my contact, I think when you go to my website, wherever that is Green Ranger Safaris, you find out there. Can you go to assist you?
Asante. You heard from the guys that helped us with they're from Green Rangers, so they do overland trips around Africa. So this is Lake Chala. Now we want to go and see guys swimming. Look at
Iko sawa. Ngoja umefunga macho. Give me. The hard one. Go ahead.
Nice. Wewe waitwa nani? Leonard. Na huyu? Ali. Now we are saying goodbye to Lake Chala. So from here we say thank you for being with us in this journey, and see you on the next one.